Right, wow, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Right, sorry for today because you got talk part invite me, like celebrating Holy Rasulullah about fourth occasion. I can't myself because this is my friend invited me for this story along with cancel that. Right, talking about the if final exam will be raised in Indonesia. Right, as I know nowadays, this is how we stood to know this man that we happened raising about final exam in Indonesia. They be very happy because our student in Indonesia, not only in Aceh but also to growing in Indonesia, don't have to learn very seriously. Don't have to learn very input every single night to mastering about math, chemistry, bahasa Indonesia, English, dan math, anything about including for final examination. But I remember at that time because now it's still to the world for the time when the following about final exam every school when the last day when the following part the final exam your teacher exactly help you to give the answer that final exam our school but even though you have a teacher to watch you but those people compromise each other. Just because we cannot, deny that because that is project. But we have the minister in Indonesia nowadays gonna be raising about, final exam, step by step, little by little. Every single student now in Indonesia don't worry anymore. When they gotta learn seriously about the education, don't have to learn seriously about that. Just because raising final exam in Indonesia, you don't have to preparing only 3 months, but after they got went to school, they back to school and then learn again after the afternoon, of the evening, every single day, you got excellent curricular every single day. So the point is, when if done raising about the military by one team, raising about final exam, every single student nowadays, only Aceh also study to growing media, those people don't have to worry anymore. Don't have to worry, don't have to learn seriously, don't have focus for what happened in like math and that. Indonesia for math. Alright, my speaker up. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Right, question.
So you agree